right, boys and girls, this book is called The Red-Eyed Tree Frog. There's our title page, The Red-Eyed Tree Frog. Evening comes to the rainforest. The macaw and the toucan will soon go to sleep. So what do you think a macaw and a toucan are? Yes, if we're using our picture clues, we know they are birds. But the red-eyed tree frog has been asleep all day. It wakes up hungry. What will it eat? Here is an iguana. Frogs do not eat iguanas. Do iguanas eat frogs? The red-eyed tree frog does not wait to find out. It's too smart for that. It hops onto another branch. The frog is hungry, but it will not eat the ant. It will not eat the katydid. Will it eat the caterpillar? No, the caterpillar is poisonous. So the tree frog is very smart about what it's going to eat. Something moves near the frog. Something slips and slithers along a branch. It is a hungry boa constrictor, or a boa snake, it says. The snake flicks its tongue. It tastes frog in the air. Look out, frog. So with that tongue, it can tell that there is something nearby it wants to eat. Jump. Look at those long legs. The frog lands on a leaf far away from the boa. What does the frog see on the leaf? And there's a question mark because they're asking us something. A moth. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The tree frog is no longer hungry. Why isn't it hungry, boys and girls? Because it caught that moth and ate it. It climbs onto a leaf. The red-eyed tree frog shuts its eyes and goes to sleep. Look there, they're both wide awake, open. Oh, he's got one closing. Look out of this one. Now he's asleep. As morning comes to the rainforest, so as it's becoming morning, he's going to sleep. He was out and about hunting during the night. He's got a full tummy. He is going to sleep. Here's a section that says, did you know? And it tells us some information about red-eyed tree frogs. It says they like to live in swampy parts in the rainforest. They wake up when the sun is going down. It says they look kind of big in the pictures, but really they are very small. They're only about 2 inches. That is tiny. They spend most of their lives in trees. They lay eggs in trees. Their toes help them to climb and hang on to the leaves in the trees. They have those large eyes that help them see in the dark and hunt for food. They like to eat insects. And they have to really work hard to protect themselves and stay safe from other animals. Then right before daylight, they find a place in the trees to go to sleep. They tuck their toes under their chin and belly. They flatten out their body against a leaf. And then they go to sleep until it is nighttime again. All right, boys and girls, that was the red-eyed tree frog. You've got a paper in your packet. I will show that to you in just a minute and give you some directions for it.